My favorite part of working and engaging with clients, either on the sell or buy side, is creating a relationship. There's been so many clients that now have turned into friends, which is, it's really a cool, fulfilling thing, and it makes me feel good inside, honestly. I've been in the real estate space for close to 20 years now. The first 10 years of that time was as a mortgage loan officer. That led into running and founding a nonprofit for first-time homebuyer education. Thereafter, I kind of dabbled in the technology space. Where I kind of differentiate myself in this space is having that experience being certified in inbound marketing, having a real good understanding and certified in YouTube optimization, along with selling different types of databases and CRMs, which now have been applicable and being used in our day-to-day real estate world. The ability to be open and honest with the client, understanding and be able to guide them, knowing that you as a real estate professional do this every single day, and being able to kind of shape and share different aspects of the business that they're not aware of and educate them throughout the entire process. There's no possible way to do that. We do our best to be educated, watch the trends, and understand what's going on in any given day. Ultimately, the goal is to just be prepared at all times, but there's no perfect way to time the market. The biggest myth about the real estate market is that there's some crystal ball that we as realtors have. Some of us are definitely more educated than others and understand the space pretty damn well. But the biggest thing is that there's not some magic dust that we can pour over a house to make it perfectly sell, or some magic avenue. It comes from structure and having gone through this process multiple different times, learning from what works well, learn from our mistakes, improve on them, and ultimately have that end result, that end process, be as smooth and as seamless as possible for our clients. It has been local for a period of time, but it's even getting more localized and centralized, because where there's opportunities and with big, larger firms that have been in the space for long periods of time, being able to come down to a local area, whether it be regional or even within a certain area itself, is, I think, where the space is going. The one piece of advice I'd give buyers is to be ready, be prepared, and then always just stay educated on the process. The one piece of advice I'd give sellers before listing is to understand that we are professionals in this space and we're here to help them and guide them. I think the one big takeaway that I would ask people to look at and take away from this is that we care. We've been in this space for a long period of time, and we're going to be here for a long period of time. We're good at what we do, and we look forward to working with you.